Hi friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi Tutorials. Today in this video, we'll see how to count the test in the codes, how to count the number of tests in the codes. Okay. For example, I have a fruit column where fruits are in codes. Okay. So I want to count the number of mangoes which is in the codes. Okay. Sometimes when you get the raw data, you will get the codes. So instead of removing codes and counting the mangoes, we have a trick in Power BI where you can count the test with the codes. Okay, so let's see, go to visual and let's take a card here and we'll write a measure and put in the card. Okay, so measure, calculate count of count of number to table number. Okay, then filter, table is table. Okay, then filter condition is fruit equal to mango. Okay, fruit equal to mango. So if I give like this, so we'll get a error. Okay, so let's see, there are 3 mangoes, but we'll see how many mangoes we'll get in the card. So select the measure, so we'll get in the blank, but there are 3 mangoes here, we have seen, right, with codes. So how to solve this problem? Go to measure and put these codes in double quotes. Okay, here double quote and here double quote. Okay, so when you apply these double quotes, you will get the correct answer 3. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorial for more such DAX amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.